Today we're gonna learn how to work the new Backpack Boyz 2-gram vapes, because I've been getting a lot of questions. So today I'm gonna demonstrate how you work your new Backpack Boyz vape. To cut it on, you flip it over and you hit this little backpack on the back 5 times to cut it on and 5 times to cut it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's gonna cut on. You want to hit it twice to heat it up. 1, 2. Now it's ready to go, but now you can control how much smoke you inhale. So to do that, you want to hit that button 3 times for low heat. You want medium heat, you hit it 3 more times. And you want to pull in clouds, you hit it 3 more times, it's going to turn red. Now it's ready to go. So to pull on it, hold this button down and take a pull as long as you got the button hold down. And then you hit it and let it go. And don't forget to cut it off when you're finished with it. To do that, you hit it 5 more times to cut it off. And that's how you use your new Backpack Boyz 2-gram vape.